Welcome to the Auto System, your premier destination for unparalleled automotive insights. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce my prized possession, the mesmerizing Mclaren Artura 690, a masterpiece that redefines the boundaries of innovation, design, and performance. This sleek, British-built marvel embodies the perfect harmony of cutting-edge technology, exceptional power, and razor-sharp handling. The Artura 690's lightweight, carbon fiber chassis, and aerodynamically optimized bodywork make it a formidable force on the road and track, slicing through air with effortless elegance. Beneath its stunning exterior lies a potent 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, producing an astonishing 690 horsepower and 530 pounds FT of torque. Paired with an advanced 8-speed seamless shift gearbox and rear-wheel drive, this powerhouse accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds, pushing the limits of speed and adrenaline. Step inside, and you'll discover a sanctuary of luxury and sophistication. The Artura 690's cockpit features premium leather, aluminum, and carbon fiber accents, complemented by a stunning 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and 10.25-inch central touchscreen. Every detail is meticulously crafted to provide an immersive driving experience. McLaren's expertise in racing technology shines through in the Artura 690's advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and 360-degree camera coverage. Electronic stability control and dynamic electronic stability control ensure optimal traction and stability. Experience the thrill of dynamic modes, comfort, sport, and track. Each setting transforms the Artura 690's personality, adapting to your driving style and environment. With its unparalleled blend of style, performance, and innovation, the Mclaren Artura 690 redefines the boundaries of the supercar experience. Join me on the Auto System as we delve into the world of automotive excellence, exploring the most exceptional vehicles on the planet.